you can find the perfect makeup products without emptying your purse, and today I'm gonna share with you my top 5 favorites under $3. I have also done a video with makeup under $5. I'm gonna have a link in the description box below. And let's start with the first product under $3. Actually, this is exactly $3. And this is the Bite Size eyeshadow palette by e.l.f. Cosmetics. They have these palettes in a lot of color stories. And the matte eyeshadows are super blendable. The shimmery are very nice on the eyes without intensifying any texture. The packaging is minimal, very lightweight if you want to have them in your purse and travel with them. A lot of times they are releasing these quads in limited edition collections like the Mint Melt, and now they have a new one. It is called Only Good Vibes. On the close-ups I have used the Pumpkin Pie eyeshadow palette. I have started the eye look with the lightest matte shade to blend in the crease. It is a darker shade to use as a crease color, that's why I applied it closer to the eyelid and then I went upwards. After that I went in the darker matte shade, and with that one I defined the outer corner, that means the outer eyelid and also lower eye. Then I went back to the previous shade to smooth out the edges of the lower eye. On the eyelid I applied the darker golden bronzy shade, and on the inner eyelid the other golden shade. Both of the shimmery shades looked very nice on the eyes, but they are also very similar. You can also see that in the swatches. If you are missing a shade from a palette, you can combine it with another one and mix and match. My favorite color stories are Rose Water, Cream and Sugar, Hot Jalapeno that had an accident, and also Acai You. Some combinations that you can try are with Cream and Sugar, Pumpkin Pie, and also Carnival Candy, these three. Also Rose Water and Berry Bad. Yeah, that's the name. Okay, I was confused. These two can match very well for an eye look. And another combination is with I Love You a Latte and Orange Dreamsicle. And even if you buy 2 palettes, it is $6 for 8 eyeshadows. You're not gonna break the bank. Another product under $3 that really amazed me is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Matte Lipstick. This one is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and fragrance-free. Some of the moisturizing ingredients are hyaluronic acid, muru seed butter, and argan oil. This one has a lightweight and creamy formula. It gives a soft matte finish and it's very comfortable on the lips. It glides smoothly and has great color payoff. I like that it's not staining the skin, so you can clean up the edges with a Q-tip. Also, that means that you don't have to outline if you want to apply this lipstick. Look at this color payoff. It lasted all day long and it was still looking smooth and pigmented. It was a little bit less shiny, but it didn't bleed and it was looking really amazing. They have released 13 colors and this one here is in Sandstorm. It is a beautiful chocolatey brown lipstick. It retails for $2.99. You can't beat that price, am I right? And let's continue with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. This is not a brand that I can easily find in Germany, so I got it on Amazon because I really wanted to try this product. It is a cult favorite. It was love at first sight. It is very blendable with a beautiful summer color. It gives a very flattering warmth to the skin. This bronzer is extra smooth and in the swatches it looks like it has golden sparkles. On my face it is a soft sun-kissed color, super beautiful and natural, and also it can last all day without fading. It claims to be waterproof with SPF 15. That doesn't do much. We need at least SPF 30. The packaging is very simple and lightweight. I don't really like the scent of it. It smells like sunscreen. However, once it is applied on the face, I don't smell anything. This bronzer comes in 4 shades. I have here the shade 27 Sundance. The price of it is $3.39. It used to be $2.27. A lot of Rimmel products are more expensive now, like, you know, everything now. Moving on to another product under $3. These are the Wonder Baked Highlighters by AOA Studio. You can find this brand on the Shop Me Say website. They have a lot of affordable products and the price range is between $1 to $5. The baked highlighters are cruelty-free, paraben-free and vegan. I have here the shades Cupcake and Bonbon. Actually, I have applied Cupcake today on my face. It looks amazing. Cupcake is a light pink highlighter and Bonbon gives a yellow glow to the skin. In the swatches, they don't look super impressive, but on the skin, they give a glass-like effect. They are super smooth, very natural, with a very beautiful beaming effect. If you want to make them even more shiny, you can use them with a wet brush. Just apply setting spray on your brush and then the highlighter. With these highlighters, we're getting 4 grams each, and the price of them is $1. $1 each. These are the most affordable way for blinding cheekbones. And now let's go to one of my favorite lip glosses. This one is the Juicy Bomb Lip Gloss by Essence. So there is a trend on TikTok that you can punch a hole on the packaging and create your own keychain. It went viral. I also want to try it, but I don't have a paper puncher. As you can see, we have here the old school lip gloss packaging that everybody loves, and this lip gloss is cruelty-free, vegan and gluten-free. It has a weightless, non-sticky formula and looks super glossy on the lips. The price is raised from $1.99 to $2.99. It is still under $3. You can find it in 10 shades and you can see all of the lip swatches in this video.